I've never stayed at home to witness how chicken, hen, cock, or how you call it, is being killed, because I have love for them. I do love animals. That is the one reason I don't eat them. That doesn't mean you don't have to eat them. God has given us the power to overcome them so you can eat. Hello, my name is Lina and nice to meet you. I'm going to share with you how I cut my chicken. This is actually the first time I'm doing this. I am a vegetarian and I was a vegan, but now I can eat some products of animals. Thank you. So you just cut it like that, and when you cut it, you will see some cord there. You break it. Please enjoy the video and let me tell you a story. So whenever you want to cut chicken or anything bird at home, my mom will tell me that I should come and cut it. After they kill it and I come back, I told you earlier that I don't stay home for them to kill it. Whenever I hear that they are coming to kill any bird, I will just leave home peacefully for them to kill it. After they are done, they call me back. So when I come back, my mom will tell me that I should cut it. And me, I can't do. So my backbone, who is a guy who was doing it, yes, a male who was doing that. So my mom would tell me that if you don't do this and you marry, who will do that for you? If you are not able to do it, it means you are not a woman. Then it will tell my sisters that they should come. They should interpret this to be how do you say if someone is not a good woman? How do you say it in fancy? You want to speak fancy to me today? Then my sisters will be like, what's this say? I will or cheddar your bad ginger. I will be like, hey ma, samowara. Your boto costo I go say, or bad ginger. What if say ukun auto akoko de bade when your hoho chana musanye ban then I will be like, I will marry a vegan or a vegetarian. So when I married or when I met my husband, I told my husband that I don't eat meat. Then my husband told me that, oh, don't worry. You know that I even want someone to help me to stop eating meat or reduce it. I said, "She, Obema, unyame fofora ene nkwasi akeka sebe." And nkwasi akeka say ya sebe. So I kept quiet, and when we got married, I asked my husband. Though he told me he want to reduce the meat or stop eating it. Please, I'm ready. He said, me, I've never told you that too. I was like, hey. They say at first, because now I told them, nah, sorry to say. Promise is a when he am grand and I was like, you are not correct though. I didn't say anything. I said you know pa, say you said that. I said I didn't say anything, madam. How can I stop eating it? This nice thing, how can I stop it? See, okay? That is just by the way. So it was my husband who was helping me to cut the chicken all the time. One day when we bought this one, he was like, madam, can you please bring the chicken out so that I cut it for you? Maybe you may need it the time that I'm at work. I said, my dada, I've done it already. Say, bring that in and let me do it. When I said it to him, it was like, hey, see the way she has cut it, very neat. I said, yes, I've done it. It's not every time that you will be there. What if you travel? Will I wait for you to come before I cut the chicken? What if you travel and you tell me that you want to eat chicken? I have to wait for you so you come before I cut. Oh, no. So I've done it. You've done well, oh. So who thought you? I said, me, I just pick it and start cutting it. He said, wow, it looks very nice. I want to get used to the scent of the meat and the fish. That is why I don't wear gloves. Because when I wear gloves now, it looks like I am a time. No, that is why I don't wear gloves. Now I'm used to the scent. Previously, I used to vomit. I was able to cut this because of Joy. Not because of Joy, my husband is called Joy, okay? So I was able to cut this because of Joy or Theodore. So when he is cutting it, he cut it very sexy. Oh my goodness, so slowly. Or the abotre the tone, unlike my junior brother Raphael. Oh my goodness. Obakwa kofa odope. Odope is fancy. Odope, big cutlass, and he will be cutting the things with muscles, with strength. So I didn't have the interest to try it at all. With anger, I said with anger, with vim. So I was like, hey, won't you have mercy on this animal? So I said, they've been mercy. Unlike Joy wasn't doing it like that. That is why I decided to try it, and I was able to do it. Not knowing when you are making it, you don't need the muscles, you don't need any strength. You just have to target the fat line, just the fat line. Just like that. So Raphael, you were scaring me, are they? That is just by the way. He will laugh when he sees this video. So we are done cutting it, and it's so beautiful. The next day, I cut the duck meat that was in the fridge. Very soon, I will start with goat. Thank you for being with me, and see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe for more videos.